Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
GMR uses a lot of influence to shift the flights from double to being a private player. They should not forget, Goa also has got equity in the airport. Goa government also has invested. आमकां गोवा गव्हर्मेंटा जाय दोन्ही एअरपोर्ट to exist and coexist in a very healthy manner, so there is traffic for both. Rather they should try newer traffic from newer destinations. Most passengers, they tell me, most travelers whom I meet, they say next time we are not coming here. तो लागी पडटा पणजेकार तुका सगळे आणि ऑल दे प्रिफर डबल देवलो पावलो आणि आता दोन ब्रिज जाला. इतले सोपेपण मेळ्ळें. सोपेपण आमच्या सरकारान दिला न्ही आणि आमीच ते नेगेट करतले. तुम्ही पुढे मुद्दाम एक 4 काय 5 न्यू एरो ब्रिज येता, काम चालू आसा. वाय इट इज? बिकॉज दॅट एअरपोर्ट इज गोइंग टू रिमेन. And as you know, even Navy does not, they have told me very emphatically, we don't need this airport fully. We are ready to operate as it is. Rather, they have given us more slots. And I am privy to something which I cannot say, but all that I can say is they are also moved to Karwar in a big way.